In this video, we're going to discuss how to fix Remitly Identity Verification Failed. So there's actually a lot of reason why your identity verification is not working. So the failure of identity verification is a document that you actually submit, such as official government issued IDs. This is needed for authenticity, validity, and consistency, as well as biometric verification using your facial recognition with selfie or video liveness check. They also need data verification for cross-referencing submitted personal information against reliable third-party databases. They also have a knowledge-based authentication that is sometimes used involving answering security questions. So right here, there's actually some reasons for this. It may be because your document has poor quality. So for this case, make sure to use the superb quality for this case right there. So what you can do next is you can head over and then submit a document that is not blurry and also is a great picture of the document that you have. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.